Hey skincare enthusiasts! Welcome to Beauty DIY Tips. In this video, you will learn the 10 secret remedies you need to try. Tired of that dry, flaky winter skin? Say goodbye to desert dryness with 10 secret remedies that go beyond the basics. We're diving into next-level solutions that will transform your skin. Ready to unlock the secrets to hydrated, glowing skin? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the incredible benefits of pine nut oil. This luxurious oil is packed with essential vitamins E and K, which are known for their powerful moisturizing properties. These vitamins work together to deliver intense hydration and nourishment to your skin, making it feel rejuvenated and healthy. To experience the full benefits, simply add 2 tablespoons of pine nut oil to a warm bath. As you soak for 20 minutes, the oil will penetrate deep into your skin, providing long-lasting moisture and a soothing experience. After your bath, you'll notice that your skin feels incredibly baby-soft, supple, and glowing. The natural emollients in pine nut oil help to lock in moisture, leaving your skin looking radiant and feeling silky smooth. One of the best things about pine nut oil is that it's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this oil can provide the gentle care and hydration you need without causing irritation. So it's time to ditch those harsh soaps and chemical-laden products that strip your skin of its natural oils. Instead, treat your body to the luxurious hydration that pine nut oil offers. Your skin will thank you for the extra care and attention, and you'll love the way it feels and looks. Who enjoys dry, cracked elbows and heels? Not me. Dry skin can be uncomfortable and unsightly, making us feel self-conscious and irritated. But don't worry, there's a simple solution that you can whip up right at home. Let's make a hydrating balm with mango butter and carrot seed oil. These ingredients are not only natural, but also packed with nutrients that your skin will love. Mango butter is rich in vitamins A and E, which help to nourish and rejuvenate the skin, while carrot seed oil is known for its moisturizing and healing properties. Melt a tablespoon of mango butter and add 5 drops of carrot seed oil. Stir the mixture well to ensure that the ingredients are fully combined. Pour into a container, let it cool, and you've got a DIY balm. Once the mixture has cooled and solidified, it's ready to use. You can store it in a small container and carry it with you wherever you go, ensuring that you always have a remedy for dry skin on hand. This balm will put store-bought lotions to shame. Unlike commercial products that often contain harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances, this DIY balm is all natural and gentle on the skin. It provides deep hydration and leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. Say goodbye to dry skin and hello to soft, supple radiance. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and appearance. So why wait? Start making your own ultimate DIY balm today and enjoy the benefits of healthy, glowing skin. Protecting your skin's natural barrier is crucial. Your skin is your body's first line of defense against the elements, and maintaining its health is essential for overall well-being. Pollution and harsh weather can strip away natural oils. The daily exposure to environmental aggressors like smog, dust, and wind can leave your skin feeling dry, irritated, and vulnerable. Enter the DIY barrier cream with beeswax and rosehip oil. These natural ingredients are powerhouses when it comes to protection and rejuvenation. Beeswax locks in moisture, creating a protective layer that shields your skin from external damage. Meanwhile, rosehip oil is rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which nourish and repair the skin, promoting a healthy glow. To make this cream, start by melting a tablespoon of beeswax in a small pot over low heat. Once melted, add 2 tablespoons of rosehip oil and stir until well combined. This simple yet effective mixture can be made in minutes and offers long-lasting benefits. This cream is like a suit of armor for your skin. Apply it daily to keep your skin hydrated, protected, and radiant. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and resilience, making it an essential part of your skincare routine. Mustard oil massage is an ancient Ayurvedic secret for intense hydration. Mustard oil is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, improving circulation and giving a healthy glow. Warm a few tablespoons and massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Take your time to let the nutrients penetrate deep into your pores. I am sure you won't regret using this remedy. Itchy skin is the worst. Try this DIY cornstarch and glycerin lotion. Cornstarch is known for soothing the skin and reducing redness because glycerin locks in moisture, enabling the skin to look shiny and glossy. To make this lotion, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of glycerin and water until smooth. Apply twice a day for excellent result. This lotion provides long-lasting hydration and relief from itching. Are you tired of peeling and flaky hands? Don't worry, we got you. The following remedy is the ultimate key for soft and beautiful skin: goat milk and olive oil. Goat milk exfoliates and nourishes, while olive oil provides deep hydration. Mix equal parts goat milk and olive oil and massage onto your hands. Focus on cuticles and nails for a spa-worthy treatment. Say goodbye to dry, cracked hands. Onion juice and coconut oil create a potent serum for glowing skin. Onions are rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties, while coconut oil locks in moisture and soothes irritation. Extract juice from half an onion and mix with coconut oil. Apply this serum for radiant, hydrated skin. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next, pumpkin and avocado mask. This amazing remedy make a luxuriously moisturizing mask. Pumpkin is packed with skin-loving vitamins which helps repair and rejuvenate dry, flaky skin. Pumpkin brightens and exfoliates, while avocado deeply nourishes. This mask contains vitamin E, B5, and potassium, all of which are crucial for restoring hydration and promoting skin elasticity. So, mix a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree with half of ripe avocado. Mix well and apply on washed and dry skin for baby soft skin. Calm stressed skin? Why not? With an almond milk and chamomile compress, it's possible. Almond milk hydrates and soothes, while chamomile reduces redness and irritation. To make this goodie, brew chamomile tea and let it cool. Mix with half a cup of almond milk and apply to your skin. Enjoy a spa-worthy experience at home. Green bananas are a powerhouse of nutrients for your skin. Rich in potassium and vitamins, they maintain moisture balance. To achieve great results, peel a green banana, cut into pieces, and apply to your skin. Experience hydrated, glowing skin like never before. And there you have it, 10 secret remedies for dry skin. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay glowing!